Top tips for chefs at home, for people cooking at home. Go with something new. Try and expand your repertoire. Try something that you've never tried before. Now, by that, it could be an ingredient, or it could be a methodology, or it could be it could be a way of plating something up. So always try something new. Work out if you like it. Have a go at it, because at the end of the day, it's not the end of the world. Like even if it all goes wrong, you can still phone up for a pizza. Do you know what I mean? It's like it's not the end of the world. So I would say always try something new. Read cookbooks, and read as many as you can, and keep getting inspired by them, keep looking at them. So they're not always the ones with the big names that everybody recognizes. Some real simple things. And if you think of the price of the cookbook, like some people go, cookbooks, I don't know, 25 quid. It sounds like a lot of money. Actually, I think it's huge value for money. There's between 70 and 100 recipes in the average cookbook. And in that, if you get 2 or 3 recipes that you cook for the rest of your life, 4, 5, 6, 7 times a year, all of a sudden the value in that is ridiculous. It's huge, it's amazing. So grab cookbooks, read as many of them as you can, get as influenced as you can as possible. And travel. Eat out, get out there and eat out and travel as much as possible. Go when you're in a foreign country, ask the taxi driver where they eat, not the hotel rep. Ask the bus driver, go for a wander in the streets, speak to the guys in the shops. Where do they eat? Where do the locals eat? And what is it that they're, what is the speciality foods there? Travel is amazing. Eat out, experience, travel, read cookbooks, ask, listen, and look, wander around markets. Just enjoy it and embrace the outdoors, embrace the countryside, and look what Mother Nature has given us.